Phil, what do you got going on today?
Hey Brian, so actually I have nothing to do today. All our family and friends' cars projects are wrapped up.
All right.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
All right, well, hey, there's always something to do, right? We have paint laying all over the place. Actually, the shop's kind of a mess. Let's say we do something here in the shop. Okay, so hey, we have all this paint sitting around. We do have a lot of paint specific for automotive jobs, wheel paint, caliper, engine interior, and so on. Things that we took care of here, but we also have the general purpose paint that we can use to paint some of the equipment here in the garage.
You know, now that I think of it, we have that old rusty shop cart in the back corner.
Okay.
I think it would be perfect for a little project.
All right, well, hey, we can use our general purpose paint. Whatever color we choose, and maybe we can do something else with it as well.
Hey, I'll go grab it. Let's take a look at it and see what we can do.
Yeah, grab that and take a look at it.
Prep is the most important part of any successful paint project, as the surface must be clean and sanded smooth. This cart had a lot of imperfections, so we used our power sander and 400 grit sandpaper to smooth things out and create the mechanical adhesion needed for our paint to bond to. We used compressed air to blow off the sanding dust and masked off a few areas since we wanted to go with a two-tone paint scheme. Finally, we used our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner to finish removing all remaining dust and contaminants. Our light gray sandable primer dries fast, sands easily, and will provide a solid foundation for our color coat. Before applying the primer, shake the can for 2 minutes and apply when temperatures are between 60 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. We allowed the primer to dry for about 30 minutes and gave it a quick scuff to remove any dust that landed in our paint and wiped it clean with our foaming prep spray. Then we applied the chrome yellow multi-purpose enamel just like the primer by holding the can 6 to 8 inches from the surface, applying 2 to 3 light coats in an even back and forth sweeping motion, followed by one heavier final coat until we achieved full even coverage. After allowing the enamel to dry for a few hours, we taped it off in preparation for the premium truck bed coating we will use on the top of the cart. Before applying the truck bed coating, shake the can for 2 minutes and apply when temperatures are between 60 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Make sure to remove the safety tab on the top of the trigger. To apply, hold the can 10 to 12 inches from the surface and apply 2 to 3 light coats in a back and forth sweeping motion for a uniform textured finish. If there are smooth or wet areas in the finish, allow the paint to dry for 10 minutes and reapply with one light coat. Allow all paints to dry for about 2 hours before handling and 24 to 36 hours before use.
Phil, this cart looks incredible.
Yeah, I mean, what do you think, Brian? This thing looks great.
I mean, the yellow and the textured top here, man, that looks really good.
The two color combo makes it pop. We won't lose it in the garage anymore.
Yeah, I mean, this bright yellow general purpose paint really pops nice, and the texture finish on top would be perfect because we've thrown parts and tools on top as well.
Yeah, for an old cart we picked up at a garage sale, this thing looks brand new.
Yeah, you've never even noticed the same cart. So hey, general purpose cart coated with our general purpose product. I mean, it's the perfect combination, and this is gonna last us for years to come. I mean, how long did it take you?
A few hours on this one.
Right, so just a couple hours. Something that you could do in your own garage at home and be the boss of your own paint project. If you want to find out more about the products that we used on this project and others from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.